Gusto niyo ba ng ganitong klaseng Notion workspace na napakadaling gawin with the important links sa pwede mong dagdagan anytime with that's time, with the calendar, with a quote for the day. And then, meron ka pa ditong weekly calendar view, to-do list na pang personal. You can embed like a podcast episode to listen for the day. And of course, your client projects na to-do list. Ito naman yung pang personal, pang work na to-do list. If this is something that you want to learn how to create, just keep on watching, mga mi. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Kung paano nga ba... Hello, huwag natin patagalin pa mga mima kung gusto mo. Ayun, mami, wag natin papatagalin pa. Turuan ko na kayo paano yung gawin. Ito, sa Notion, okay, gawa kayo na account. Very libre lang. Tapos create a new page. Ayan, tas ito ang blank na page na bubunga sa inyo. Unang gagawin niya is click these three dots on the top right. And then, click small, text, and full with. Tapos pili na kaya kung anong bet nyo, kung ano ang inyong bet na Kim Pam para font. Pero ako default lang. Next na gagawin natin is to click add cover and then check mo yung change cover. Tapos pili ka lang. Pwede dito sa gallery na ito or pwede ka mag-upload ng kahit anong cover mo or if you saw like a link from the social media account or you can just use Unsplash. Like for example, you can type anything na pwede mong gawin or gamitin. Like yan, for example, good morning and you wanna use this. So let's say you wanna use this one, click mo lang me. Click mo lang yan. Pak, andyan na yan. You can reposition anything, anytime. So ato, I want it like this, for example. And then you can add an icon. Click mo yan. Ilagay mo dito is flower. Flower. Tapos kung natin itong cherry blossom. O, diba? Tapos a new message you can put here. New page. Lagyan natin yung page name is Hello, Eunice. Di ba? Tapos, ayan, pwede tayo maglagay ng, ayan, emoji. Tapos enter. That's it. That's the first part. Okay? Pause if you want. Pero itutuloy ko na. Next na gagawin natin, guys, ay itong parting ito. Itong buttons na to sa kanan. So, babalik ako dito. What I will do is to slash and then ilalagay ko dyan is call out. Yan, pack. So, papalit ako siya ng light bulb. Tapos ilalagay ko dito bold. Tapos ilalagay ko dito is important links. Okay? Tapos enter. Tapos ilagay na natin yung first link. Let's say for example, ano ba yung una kong link dito? Barangay VA dashboard. Okay, so kunin ko muna yung link ng Barangay VA dashboard. Okay, di ba meron na kayo nito? Dinigay natin sa dashboard natin. Okay, slash button. Ayan. Yan. Piliin natin kung anong gusto nating icon. Let's say save. Back. Ayan. Barangay VA dashboard. Back. The new action is open page from URL. Click this, paste, and then enter, then done. Okay, enter ka ulit. Slash button. Ang next natin ay ilagay ay ang ating YouTube channel, Barangay VA University. Diba? I'm just showing you Okay, pwede yung gawin to, pwede yung gawin iba. Bahala kayo. It's in your creativity. Hello? Creativity. Tapos new action. Open. Back, enter. Done. Ano ka ba nilagay ko ba dyan? Tinakalimutan ko na dahil. WhatsApp. Okay, BVA WhatsApp. Hanapin muna natin yung, dahil, ba natin? Meron naman. Okay. Hanapin muna natin yung WhatsApp. Ito. Meron naman kayo links na ito, guys. Don't worry. button, and then messaging. Ayan. Okay, let's do this. BVA, what's up? What it is, yo? What's up? Baby good girl, what you mean naman? Ay, mali. Ito pala, open page. Guys, bear with me nasa links pa lang tayo. Pero madali na lang yung iba. Okay, another one is our Slack channel. Malalaman niyo yan soon, pero kahit hindi mo na ilagay, but you'll know why we have a Slack channel. So, go glow grow mga mi. Okay. Abangan. Again, it's button. Pinaka-categorize ko lang ha para BVA Slack channel. Again, open page, select, enter. Paste, enter. Okay. Next is podcast, for example. Gusto natin yung podcast ni Jam. Quote on. Okay. Last na to, button. Let's say, mic icon. BVA podcast. And then new action, open page, select page, paste, done. Sorry, again. Enter, done. So yun na yan. After nyan, ang gagawin natin ay ito naman mga widgets na to. These are widgets outside the Notion app or page. So, pupunta kayo dito sa widget box. Ayan, that app. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng hanap ko na kayo dito. Pero ito, may mga nahanap na ako. Untitled digital clock. So, copy URL lang ako yan. Tapos, ang gagawin ko lang dyan mga mi, mamaya ko na ayusin. Balik ako dito ha. Sa baba, slash, okay, paste mo yung link, tapos embed. So, lalabas na yung clock dyan. Tapos, nakita mo to, ayan, itong grip, i-drag mo yan sa pinakakanan. Nakita mo may line na yan, bitawan mo. And then, you see this, adjust. Diba, adjust. So, may natin ayusin yan. Balik ulit sa widget box, kuha tayo ng calendar widget, copied, and then balik tayo dito. Dito ulit tayo sa blank space, paste, embed. Lahat to free, guys. Balik tayo sa pinakakanan, drag natin siya. Mamaya ka na ayusin yan. And then for the quote, nakikita nyo guys, meron tayong quote. Hindi ko yun nakuha sa widget box. So, ito rin yung change to everyday. So, nakuha ko yan sa Apption. Apption.co. Search nyo lang quote. Lalabas tong everyday quote. Copy nyo yung link. Okay. Go to your page. Blank space. Okay. Paste, embed. Pack. Ayun na siya. Drag nyo ulit dito sa kanan. Now it's time to fix everything. Yay! Plastic. So, drag ko lang siyang ganyan. Ayusin ko lang, di ba? Ganyan lang itake na eh. Pack. Pagpantay-pantay lang ba? Ganyan o. Pack. Oh, di ba? Ganyan. Bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Pack. Diba? Ganyan lang atake me. Okay, papatalo. Ganyan. Okay? There, you have the top part already. That's very nice. See, now let's go to the calendar part and the to-do. So, what you'll do is, dito ko ulit sa blank space. Ayan. Slash divider. Pack. May divider ka na. Okay, slash call out. Sana nakakasunod kayo guys. Palitan natin yung icon ng calendar. Let's i-bold natin, all caps, important events. Enter. Now, slash tayo. Dapat nasa loob yan. Ilagay, ayun o, calendar view. Hanapin nyo lang dito, calendar view. Or i-type yung calendar view. Diba? Uy. Ayan, calendar view. Pack. Okay, ang gagawin niyo ito, itong three dots na may untitled, hide. Itong calendar view na link, click mo yan, click rename. Okay, let's call it important events. Tapos pwede mong palitan yung logo. Okay, yan, icon. And then dito, three dots, ilagay natin sa layout, and then ilagay natin yung show calendar as week. Back, so week na siya. Next, hashtag a hashtag. Slash na naman tayo sa ilalim sa black space. Call out, and let's change this icon to a writing, or maybe this one. Ano ba nakalagay doon? Yun nga natin. Check mark. Check mark naman. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's change this to a check mark. Ayan. Personal. Command B. Personal tasks. Diba? Tapos, pwede nyo to, pak! Ilipat nyo agad sa kanan. Tapos, adjust. Ayan, adjust mo yan. Tapos dito, enter lang tayo. Pak! Tapos, slash. Tapos sa loob, ilagay mo dyan is to-do list. Pak! Tapos, divide mo, ano lang, punta ka dito, ayan o, etong 6 dots, right click, duplicate, 10. 2 na yan, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Command D, 8, 9, 10. Command D lang yan, guys. Tapos sa baba ulit, slash call out, or wala na slash call out. Punta na kayo, pwede kayo maglagay ng kahit anong episode sa podcast while working. So, punta ka sa favorite podcast nyo, like Barangay VA or Buhay Virtual Assistant Podcast. Ilagay mo yung pinaka latest dito ha. Paste mo yung link ng latest episode, and then click mo embed. Mag-embed yan. O, ayan na. O, diba? Meron tayong calendar with personal to-do list. Dito ulit tayo sa baba, slash divider. You like it? Okay, so may hindi tayo nagawang tama. So, parang hindi naman. Parang okay naman. Tama. Dito na tayo sa client projects. Okay, what we'll do, we're almost there, guys. Slash call out. Okay. Icon, change it to maybe like a pencil, Command B, and then caps lock, client projects. Okay. And then enter, slash, let's do not a table view, but a board view. Pak! Hide mo ito. Rename. Like, look for a check mark, for an icon. Client tasks. Enter. Nagdag ka lang na ano. Back. New page. There you go. That is your very simple Notion workspace. Very, very helpful. Pwede ka mag-play anytime. Back. No? Everything is there. Every link that you need is here. Pwede ka magdagdag anytime. O, button. Ganun ulit. It's the same purpose and process. Pwede mong gawin yan. I hope this helps, mga mi. And thank you. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment below kung ano pong gusto nyo matutunan. Thank you, and I'll see you guys again on the next one. Bye!